Alright, this is a bit of a follow-up video to the Dodge Grand Caravan and Town & Country opening of the rear hatch manually from the inside. Since I already have this hatch off of the vehicle, I'm trying to see if we can get a little better view, get a little better light in there, because I know it's really tough to, that last video it's kind of tough when you can't really see what's going on. But just a quick recap on this other one with your flathead screwdriver. So again, down in here, let's see if I can zoom in here. Okay, there we go. So down here, there's this lever right here. The lever. Don't mess with the lever. You want to take your screwdriver at a bit of an angle, go just over the top of this lever. I'm going to really see if we can see it in here, because down in here, just over the top of that lever behind the motor, there's a tiny little latch. You might be able to see it kind of glinting in the light. If you can get the screwdriver underneath that latch, there you can kind of see it moving down in there. That's what we're looking for. Right there. You can kind of see it glinting. And again, for this demonstration here, this was a 2015 Town & Country.